Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hi guys, this is Dolly, and so look, I just got this new Spider-Man, and this Spider-Man is called Spider-Man 2099, and this is the new Spider-Man, and the movie's coming out, so I got it at Target, so let's just go ahead and open it, and look how cool. So, look at this. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. So, let's get it. Wow. Look. Hey, one coming. Wrote his Viber. That's alright. Wow. Oh, it's cool. Wow, it's blue. Oh, and I actually got the other Spider-Mans too. And look at this too. Looks so cool. And look in the back. And look at this. Wow, my God. This is big. Wow. Look. Look at this. Wow. It's cool. Oh, and I actually got Carnage. Let's see if the hand is the same. No, it's not the same. Oh, and I actually got Spider-Man. Iron Spider-Man. And this I actually got one more Spider-Man too. Wait. Okay. Wow. So look. Wow. Even the face is different in the back. Oh, it doesn't have a power flex. And it can spin. And just wow. Actually, the head is a little bit small. Okay. Look. So here's Spider-Man 2099, Iron Spider from No Way Home, Spider-Man Don't Fall, okay, and Spider-Man from No Way Home. Oh, it's okay, and here's the last Spider-Man from No Way Home. Oh, I just wore the same shirt too. Look, Spider-Man shirt, but different colors of. It's the same colors as the shorts, but it's different kind of shorts. Look. Bye bye. Thank you guys for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Peace!